What is up, guys? It is Brandon here from The Refined Investor, and today we're going to be talking about a subject that's been brought up in the news a lot. And that topic is, of course, whether or not TikTok, the social app TikTok, is going to be banned in the US or not. At this point, no one can really be certain if the app TikTok's going to be banned or not. But we know, based on what the president has said, is that it's up in the air, and whether or not TikTok's going to be banned or not has a lot to do with if a US-based company can buy the social media app. So right now there are a few companies, I believe specifically 3 when this video is being recorded, that are potentially in the works of trying to buy TikTok, and that is Microsoft, Twitter, and I believe Oracle. And some of you may or may not know the reason why President Trump is potentially going to ban TikTok is because of the way the Chinese-based app is using its users' data. And it's been said that the Chinese-based app TikTok is pulling data that it really shouldn't be pulling, and some of that data being private information that the users don't actually know that the Chinese app is extracting from them personally. So to really sum it up, the TikTok owner ByteDance, it actually has about 45 days to get a deal underway with a US-based company, or again, faces being banned in the United States. So you're probably wondering, well, what does that mean for me, and why did you post this video? And I'll tell you why. Because there's actually a way to get around this if TikTok actually does become banned, and that's by using a VPN. What a VPN is a virtual private network that lets you essentially mask what you're doing to your ISP or internet service provider. So how this works is by masking your location from your internet service provider, you're able to make it look like somewhere you're not, hence getting access to TikTok. So for example, say you are in the US and TikTok gets banned, you can physically actually choose your location and make it seem like you're in a completely different country based on the VPN. And so then now you actually have access to TikTok because the computer thinks that you're actually not in the United States where TikTok is banned. So to put it plain and simple, it's essentially routing your traffic to your VPN instead of using your ISP's server. You might be thinking that, well, this is kind of too technical for me. It might be super hard to set up, but it's actually not. And there are 3 main service providers that are actually decently cheap on a monthly basis, ranging from about $1.80 a month all the way up to about $15 a month. And those providers are NordVPN, IPVanish, and PureVPN. So it's actually pretty easy to set up. All you're gonna do is one of those 3 VPNs that I listed. Of course, it's not all of them. It's just, some of the main ones, the most popular ones around. All you're gonna do is go in there, create an account, and then log in. Once you have everything set up, log into that VPN, your virtual private network, on every device that you use in your home. And then basically you set the location of where you want to be virtually. Obviously you're in the US most likely, but you can pick the exact country you want to be in. And then now it'll look like you're actually in that country, and you'll be able to use TikTok. You might have a question of the legality of this, and while in some countries using a VPN is illegal, using a VPN in the United States is currently not illegal in any way, shape, or form. But again, you don't want to be using a VPN to perform illegal activities or services, but obviously using a VPN to then go on to TikTok, a social media network, is not a huge deal. I hope this was able to clear up some of the information around, like, hey, is TikTok going to get banned or not? Am I going to lose my 3 million followers, because it's going to be banned in the US or not? So I hope this was able to clear that up a little bit. It's a super easy workaround that a lot of people don't know about, I would say, because it seems kind of techy, but it's actually very, very easy to do. You go to the VPN service provider, you log in, you sign up, and then you make sure that every device is running off your own VPN or virtual private network. It'll be really interesting to see what happens in the next couple months with TikTok, and if a US company actually does end up buying it and who that US based company will be. Again, it's most likely going to be Twitter, Oracle, or Microsoft, but some big player could come out of nowhere and scoop TikTok right up. Now, if you guys have any questions on this video, any of the content in the video, or actually how to set up a VPN for yourself, please comment down below. I look at all the comments, and of course, if I see a reoccurring theme, I'll definitely make a video on it. So if you guys want to know how to create a VPN and start using it, just comment down below and I'll be able to make a video on that subject. And of course, if you found any of this content useful or helpful for you in your daily life, please give it a thumbs up, as it greatly helps out my channel. And of course, consider subscribing to my channel for future content. All right, guys, well, until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.